What's up, OfaYes family? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell.
Today, we've got something super exciting for all the pet lovers out there. We're bringing you the complete guide to buying a puppy or dog online. The safe and easy way.
If you've ever thought about adding a furry friend to your home, stick with us because we're going to show you exactly how to list and buy pets on OfaYes Marketplace the right way. Let's get into it.
So, why buy a puppy or dog online? Well, it's convenient, offers a variety of breeds, and lets you connect with trusted sellers from the comfort of your home. But hold up, we're not just buying on any site. We're talking about OfaYes Marketplace, where trust and security come first.
That's right. With OfaYes, you can browse hundreds of pet listings from breeders and sellers near you, compare prices, and chat with sellers directly before making a decision.
Alright, let's get into the step-by-step guide.
First up, for buyers. Step 1. Go to OfaYes Marketplace and navigate to the pets category.
Step 2. Filter your search by breed, age, location, and price to find the perfect pup.
Step 3. Click on a listing to see details, seller reviews, and photos.
Step 4. Use the chat feature to ask questions about health records, vaccinations, and temperament.
Step 5. Arrange a safe meeting or delivery option before finalizing payment.
And if you're a seller looking to list a pet, Step 1. Click on Post Ad and select the Pets category.
Step 2. Upload clear, high-quality photos of the puppy or dog.
Step 3. Write an honest description, including breed, age, medical records, and temperament.
Step 3. Set a fair price and mention any delivery or pickup options.
Step 4. Publish your listing and respond to inquiries promptly.
Easy, right? Now, before you rush off to buy your dream pup, there's something super important we need to talk about.
OfaYes Classified Ads Marketplace is a platform for connecting buyers and sellers. We do not directly sell pets. It's your responsibility to ensure safe and ethical transactions.
Exactly. So here are a few safety tips to keep in mind. 1. Meet in person when possible and inspect the puppy before making payments.
2. Ask for health certificates and vaccination records from the seller.
Avoid deals that seem too good to be true. Scammers exist.
Never make full payments upfront without proper verification.
Adopt responsibly. A puppy is a lifelong commitment, not just a cute impulse buy.
And remember, always report suspicious listings or sellers to OfaYes support.
And that's it, OfaYes fam. That's your complete guide to buying a puppy or dog online, safely, easily, and stress-free.
If you found this helpful, smash the like button and drop a comment below. What's your dream dog breed?
And don't forget, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell so you never miss an update from us.
Until next time, happy pet shopping on OfaYes.